You win. Perfect.
Time's running out and I'm working hard to get everything done on time. As long as it's cooler than this one.
Just so you know that you're coming. No.
No more filming.
What you got for me, man? We're gonna do something crazy.
Lose your money.
We have built some awesome mini bikes in the past, but we wanted this one to be even better than all of the raffle bikes. As soon as I walked in the actual show, I was like, dang, it's beautiful. The perfect setup.
Oh my goodness, what's up, Taylor?